afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Can you tell something about yourself?
I'm Regina Papaya. I am 24 years old from Davao City po.
May experience ka ba bilang brand ambassador sa
Meron
supermarket?
po.
What brand?
Athena po.
Can we have our samples feel?
Do you have weak or cracking bones? Do you have bulges or cellulites? Do you have dull, rough skin? Now, there's a way to win. Introducing Athena, the milk with nutrition.
Okay, can you read the Magnolia All-Purpose Cream spiel?
A delicious and creamy day to you, mommy and daddy. Introducing the original Magnolia All-Purpose Cream, ang bago nating partner na lalong magpapasarap sa paboritong fruit salad, pasta, cakes, soup at iba pa. Ang original Magnolia All-Purpose Cream ay siguradong 100% creamy, 100% delightful goodness, guaranteed easy whip, zero trans fat, and no sugar added. Kaya totoong-totoo po mga mommy and daddy. At ang paborito nating pagkain, mas magiging creamier and tastier at tiyak magugustuhan po ng inyong buong pamilya. Dahil ito po ay gawang Magnolia, gawang San Miguel. Sigurado po tayo sa quality ng mga ingredients. Kaya halina po mga mommy and daddy, try nyo na po ang Magnolia All-Purpose Cream. All out love, all out goodness.